The primary motivation for this LED upgrade, I guess, is several-fold. The long-term goals of the company are to reduce our carbon footprint in our production facilities by 50% by 2030, as well as our megawatt-hour reductions by the same amount. This particular project reduced our megawatt-hours in the plant by about 10% of what we had been using previously. Dollar-wise, it saved us close to $130,000 annually.
There was a couple different things that we were trying to accomplish with this project. Obviously, with the older lighting technology, there was an opportunity for energy savings, and so we wanted to emphasize a project that had a good return on investment and had energy savings associated with it. But obviously, we wanted to improve the light levels in the facility upon where they currently were. And then when we put together a design, we used different lumen packages from different manufacturers to value engineer to get the light levels to a uniform light level, really using the least amount of energy possible.
Putting in these new lights actually helps us to reduce the energy that we're using. With our previous lights, we had 1.3 million kilowatt hours of energy. With these new LED lights that we put in, we're consuming roughly around 397,000 kilowatt hours. So it's quite a bit of an improvement as far as energy consumption.
So I think the obvious thing that kind of captures everyone's attention is the initial energy savings and the lower operational costs and the reduced maintenance. So we're looking at a fixture that lasts 5x as long as their existing technology, and it's using a lower wattage, and you're not going to have to replace it as often. But then also incorporating occupancy sensors that we could zone and dim in different spaces allowed us to even take those energy savings further.
I'd say one of the main concerns is safety. We want to make sure all of our employees go home at the end of the day just like they came to work. So it really brightened things up in the shop and made it a lot safer for the employees to do their jobs. It was a good partnership with PEC because they worked around our production schedule and what we needed. It allowed us to have that flexibility on our part that we didn't have to, stop production or move equipment or anything like that. They pretty much come in and took care of it, and it was a pretty smooth project.
People have stopped me in the plant and said thank you because it's so much brighter. By switching from fluorescent lights to LED lights, we significantly reduce our maintenance costs, we reduce our waste costs, and we reduce our electrical costs, and we get better lighting as a result of it.